In today's video, let me show you how to use the Bank of America Advantage Savings account. Now, in order to use the feature of the Bank of America Advantage Savings, you need to first of all fund your account with minimum $100 on while you open an account, and once you fund it with at least $100, interest begins to accumulate on the exact day your transaction processes rather than the day you submit the initial application. So once you have added in your deposit, you could also link it or use it with different saving tools, such as you could use the keep the change tool, which is the roundup feature, which is you could simply link one of your savings account within Bank of America to an eligible checkings account that you just created. The system will automatically round up your debit card purchases into the nearest dollar amount. So this is one of the features that you get. Also, you could avoid the hidden cost, which is the 8% monthly fee. You need to maintain a balance of $500 or more, and make sure that you link a premium advantage relationship banking account as well. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.